how to write a manual formula and insert it into Word. You probably all know that it is possible to add formulas and symbols to Word. That is what we showed on this channel. However, did you know that you can do this by entering a handwritten formula and converting it to a formula? If you want to know how to stay until the end of the video. Okay, first of all, we will open the word we want. When we have Open Word, select the field where you want the formula to be displayed. After that, find the Draw section in the top menu and click on it. In this window, you can check the Ink to Math option. When you find it, click on it. A window will appear in which you can draw some of the symbols, and Word will convert them into real symbols. In addition to reading, you can also delete and change them by selecting the options of the same name. Once you have drawn everything you want, click the Insert button, and Word will insert everything into the document. That's all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.